Are you looking for natural way to lose weight and improve your overall health? Look no further. Better skin, skinny body. Your keto ACV gummies are the revolutionary breakthrough you've been waiting for. Studies and research show that apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight, melt belly fat, reduce your appetite, and improve your skin, blood sugar, heart health, and more. Your keto ACV gummies are a dietary supplement that supports the ketogenic diet and help people achieve and maintain ketosis. It is thought to be an effective way to lose weight and improve overall health. The gummies are formulated with collagen, a protein that is important for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Your keto ACV gummies work by providing the body with exogenous ketones, which are compounds that can help the body enter a state of ketosis more quickly. Metabolic Energizer 5-HTP is a supplement that can help with issues with mood, obesity, and overeating, pain management, sleep disorders, and insomnia, and reducing the frequency of migraines and headaches. Those who took 5-HTP ate fewer calories, although they were not trying to diet, compared to those who took placebo. 5-HTP leads people appetite control, so they ate less and can help you lose weight, stimulates metabolism. Try your keto ACV gummies today and start your journey to a healthier you. All in description box.